1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a two-top car, as you can see in the background. Hard top, as well as the soft top on the car. Sorry about the noise in the background. Detail department getting more cars cleaned up and ready to be pictured and videoed here, so I just want to apologize for that, but I'll see if I can speak up a little bit. We'll go around this one. 4.5 liter V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlights, headlight bezels. Iconic front end of these cars. Does have a new AC compressor on it, and it has been converted to 134A. Original yellow car, paint code 624. It's actually coming out of long-term ownership. Gentleman that had this car owned it for practically 25 years. Now it can be yours. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, all the tops, car from every angle. Check out all those still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Mercedes wheels. Radial tires, technician noted. Tires are in good shape. Date coded 2016. Also has 95% of the brakes remaining front and rear. Let's take a look from the front to the rear down this passenger side. Now, as far as the paint goes, we do have some blemishes and some touch-up over here in the passenger door. Paint still has a nice shine though. Fun car for the summer. Top down. Wind in the hair, enjoying the sunshine. Interior has been reupholstered, as you can see. Center console, AM/FM cassette player. I could get that to power up, but I did not get any reception as far as that stereo goes. We'll get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at that interior. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. We'll put the hard top on, the soft top up. Check out both of those on the car. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There you get a good look at the chrome of the rear bumper. Some things are going to come along with this. As you can see, it does have the hard top stand that will go along. It's just been dismantled, so it will fit in the trunk. Dash pad. Miscellaneous items. Of course, the hard top, and this is exactly, I should say, pretty much what that stand looks like, and that will go along with it. The one the top's on will stick here. For later use, there is also a bunch of manuals that will go along with this, anywhere from the owner's manual to the service manual, parts manuals, that type of thing. And then there's also a big folder of miscellaneous receipts, paperwork on the car too. And check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see the yellow paint has a nice shine to it. There's no major nicks, dings, or scratches over here. Just more so what I showed you down that passenger side. Tell you what, if you like Mercedes, or maybe imports in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. A few other things I wanted to mention. It does have a fresh oil change recently done. Updated fuel system and more. Stock exhaust. Check that out. A first aid kit will go along with it. Won't be surprised if they came with this car when new. Door panel, good shape, as well as the reupholstered seats. It appears, if you take a look at these plugs right here, that was back in the day when they were sold new. I do believe that would have been where they would have put the rust inhibitor in. Might be why the car's quite solid, it appears. In the still pictures, you can be able to see the door tag Right here you'll see a close-up of that. You'll also see the kind of the data tag, I guess if you will, that's underneath the hood. That'll have the paint code and some other codes on it. Paint code is 624, so we know it's a yellow car. All right, let's fire this up. Miles on it reads 110,354. It's believed to be original. All right, fires right up. This is your fasten seatbelt warning light, so you know. You can see that was a cold start. Temp gauge wouldn't be up. Oil pressure, fuel gauge. We have over here tach, clock, and of course speedometer and odometer, AC controls, that AM FM cassette player. Top of the dash, good shape. There, the warning chime went off. Let's listen. This sounds as you'd expect. 4.5 liter V8 to sound. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, and then we'll move on to the tops. All right, hood popped, underside of the hood. And engine bay. This is that kind of data tag I was talking about. See that in the still pictures? There it is. The V8 power, and again, power steering, power brakes, AC, you can see. AC has been converted by these fittings right here. 134A. Well, it's pretty stock looking engine bay. And again, if you stick around till after we take a look at these convertible tops, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how this thing goes down the road. These just drive out awful nice. All right, let's go ahead and get the tops on, check those out. And soft top up. It's simple for one person to do, kind of works like any of the C4, C5 Corvettes, any of the other Mercedes in this body style. Folds out of the storage area after raising the tonneau cover. And the handles to latch it are in the glove box. So you can see, nice tight fit. Above the windshield, kind of a chocolate or cocoa color fabric. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Windshield, or excuse me, rear window, pretty darn clear. And passenger side. Power windows work, obviously. Roll both of those up so you can see how they fit. Pretty nice fit there. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Needed to keep you out of the sun or rain shower. It's gonna serve that purpose. All right, one down, soft top. I'll fold it back into the storage area, and we'll move along to the hardtop. I want to quick show you something. So here's the storage area that soft top folds into. This is what I talked about with the tonneau cover that flips up. And here are the levers for releasing the tonneau cover to flip up and down, and then also the release right back here for the soft top where it latches in the rear. And that's what these levers do right here. This is the release for that soft top, that spot, and this is the handle for the tonneau cover. And those are a couple of the smoothest working ones I've ever dealt with on one of these cars. I just wanted to point that out. They work very well. Let's get that hardtop on. Last but certainly not least, the hardtop. And it went on nice and smooth. Also, side glass rolled up, seeing how that fits. Looks like a hardtop coupe now. A few imperfections in the paint, a little bit, not bad. Has a nice shine to it, matches the car well. Might be a nick or a chip here or there, but overall nice shape. Clear rear glass. Little bit of delaminating. Like I said, kind of little touch-ups, little spots in the paint, but overall it's going to work just fine. Want to turn it into a hardtop. A little spot there. And you'll see it in the still pictures, soft top up, hard top on. That'll all be in the still pictures. Also, well over 100 pictures of this car, 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where to see all those pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's take a ride in a 1979 Mercedes. This is a hardtop convertible, and we have the top on today. Horn working well. Our turn signal indicator also working as it should. This is an automatic, shifted down on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Plenty of power, nice shifting from the automatic transmission. Our gauges are working, the fuel gauge showing a little less than half the tank. The temperature about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil pressure at 45 pounds per square inch. We do have a clock right here below the tachometer. The tachometer is working, the speedometer also working. The AC blows cold in this Mercedes, making for a very comfortable ride. Kind of a camel brown maybe colored interior. Working well with that kind of darker yellow exterior. Very comfortable vinyl. They appear to be vinyl. Let Jay tell you whether they're vinyl or leather. How about that? Very comfortable bucket seats. Brakes nice and smooth. Power steering working well. A comfortable car to drive. This design lasted a long time. 1979, a good prime example of this Mercedes. Find all the pictures of it at UniqueClassicCars.com.